So you said you've already started conducting clinical trials on these herbal immunity boosters. So what has been the efficacy, and are the results out yet?
So Pooja, the trials are on. We have multiple trials going on. We have we have two here happening here in Bangalore itself. One at the Bangalore Medical College and Research Hospital, and also at Narayan Hridyalaya. So as soon as the reports come in, everybody would be the first to know. But yes, as what Dr. Chauhan also was mentioning, that there are many trials that what people are doing across, and in Bangalore we are doing these two. Our medicines are also being shortlisted by the Frankfurt Innovation Center for Biotechnology in Frankfurt. We also have other researches happening in the US as well, with more biotechnological institutes over there. So and apart from this, we are also seeing that how we also do more and more clinical trials, not only with Ayurveda but also with the Siddha system of medicine. So here in Bangalore with Narayan Hridyalaya, we are doing with both Ayurveda and also Siddha medicine together. And we're also starting that off very soon. So we're seeing that how we could bring the best of healthcare that what India has to offer. One particular thing that what we need to understand is that the healthcare system that what India has contributed across to the world, like what Mr. Mathai and also Mr. Chauhan mentioned, saying that this is the only system of medicine that takes across your body and also your mind together. Mr. Mathai also mentioned that there's a lot of research happening on yoga and meditation in MIT and Harvard. I'm very happy to note and mention to you that these universities recognize yoga and meditation to the extent that today, if you were to do an Art of Living program there in Harvard or an MIT, you would actually get credits for that. So that's how serious people are taking across mental health. And mental health is something that what India has certainly championed over the years. We've had, all our sages who've really decoded the real aspect of the mind, and also a behavioral pattern that what is becoming a very, very big science to date. So just like this, that, a little bit of breathing techniques and also meditation would help calm both the body and the mind. It's just like this. You breathe better, your body functions better. When your body functions better, it does have an impact on what your thoughts are and also what your mind is. Now, coming across to clinical trials, it's very, very important that we take both Ayurveda, yoga, and meditation also together. So apart from doing clinical research on Ayurveda, we are also seeing that we also do a lot of research on yoga and meditation as well. And it has also shown that how the beta activity in the brain also is impacted, and how that also changes positively. And apart from that, seeing that how people are able to really gauge their immune systems much better. So a whole lot of things that what science has been really looking for as answers to a good healthcare, a holistic system of healthcare. I think that's what really India has championed across to the world. And yes, we are having multiple clinical trials happening in India, also across the world, and we leave no stone unturned to ensure that Ayurveda really gets its proper place in the world as a system of medicine, and not necessarily be called an alternative system of medicine. Messaging is extremely important, and that's something that what we would like to showcase to the world through the Ayush systems.